They make their decision in this room. It affects us all. Earlier they decided to hold interest rates at a record low of 0.5%. The major announcement from the Bank of England's Monetary Policy Committee was that an extra £50 billion is being pumped into the economy. That's now £175 billion in the system since the quantitative easing programme began. Despite recent signs of recovery, this cautious approach has been taken. Official surveys and figures show manufacturers are emerging slowly but surely from the recession. House prices have even risen in the past 5 months. Some economists expect growth to return to the UK between now and September. The banking sector, though, could prevent the recovery from taking off. Today's QE moves taken everybody by surprise.
The decision today tells us that the recession is worse than feared. The Bank of England has in their hands a growth forecast for the economy in the next year. We don't know what it is, but it can't be good because they've decided to surprise everybody and inject another £50 billion into the economy.
Others think the government's policy could just be having a positive effect.
Interest rate cuts to 0.5%, fiscal stimulus, the quantitative easing program, the weaker pound and stimulus in other countries around the world, the combination of all that is clearly helping the economy because the housing market's turning. There's evidence that the service sector and the factory sector might be growing again. But it's because of all that stimulus together. You can't really say that it's QE in specifically that's generating this outcome.
All eyes now on the coming months. If the extra money is having an impact, we may start seeing the benefits early next year. If not, perhaps the government should think about stealth quantitative easing. That is, pumping more money into the economy in secret, thus not panicking city bankers and traders into squandering even more cash. The key is persuading lenders to, well, start lending again. More positive news stories should move the cogs and wheels of recovery into action. With Christmas just 141 days away, that would be a welcome progression.